Hey guys, this is the tutorial for Monday, December 7th and Tuesday, December 8th in orientation to facts. So today we went over our weekly agenda. I gave the reminder that if you missed the test on Thursday or Friday of last week, I've sent you an email with the link to the test and you need to make it up by Friday. After the test, we went on and we completed the child development choice assignment. So if you look under Unit 4, you're going to see it right here, child development choice assignment. You go on there and you complete one of the three options and then turn it in. This week in class, we're going to be transitioning into the last unit of study, which is all about what is child development, learning about kids, looking at financial aspects of parenting, and so forth. So today what we covered was the first part of lesson 1. I went through with everybody the fact that you can take home a real care simulator if you fulfill the 3 requirements. Turning in Unit 3 work on time, both the project and the notebook, and then going on to Google Classroom and accessing the Real Care Infant Simulator contract. That has to be signed by both you and an adult supporter and turned in by Friday if you wish to be in the running for the last 2 spots I have available. You can see here, Charlie, my daughter, brought one home this weekend and we made sure it was working and she named it Horsey. So those are just examples of the simulator itself. So other reminders, you can start to look at the Unit 4 materials on Google Classroom, and then your Elf on a Shelf extra credit would be due by Monday, December 14th, so a week from today. If you missed morning announcements, here they are. We went through our morning check-in today, which was a Would You Rather activity. And then we got into slides 1 through 10 and pages 1 through actually 7 in our interactive notebook. So in your interactive notebook, you'll notice some different things this time. Remember that you only have to complete your pick 3s and 2s or one larger project for this unit. So you don't have to do both this time. We cut it a little bit short since you've got a lot on your plate ending this semester. So you're only going to do pick 3s and 2s or one larger project. We went into lesson 1 and we listed what we already know about child development and then what we want to know. On page 5, we listed 6 reasons we think people should study children. And then if you can't think of 6 for that, you could list why you think family consumer science is important as well. Then we went through and we filled out our first page from our slides. So this time, everything is drag and drop. So you're going to be able to just drag and drop, just like we did in class today, all of your notes from the unit slides. So for example, here was our slide, and then you were able to use this to answer the questions on there. Once we'd answered the first 3 boxes, we read this article. So if you click on there, it'll give you the link. And we talked about the first case of child abuse. This allowed everybody then to fill out the last box, which says Reflection on Mary Ellen article. The last page that we covered in class today, we went over the life cycle of children. We went through the first 3 stages. Before we did that, we went through and filled out this page, just putting all the stages in order. And then I started unboxing the stages. So I shared in class just some tools that you could use during those stages, both for the parents and for the kiddos. So on Wednesday or Thursday, depending on if you're an A or B student, we'll continue on in this unit and we'll get more into the science of child development. If you have questions, please feel free to email me and I'll see you next time. Hope you're having an awesome day.